Yo, my name is Rocky Balboa. I'm the Italian stallion. If you want to be at the top of your game, you gotta stay fit. You gotta train your mind, train your body, train your spirit. It all affects your health, but mostly it's all about diet. What you eat is what you is. It's the 80-20 rule. 80% of weight loss comes from diet, and 20% comes from exercise.
That's right, Rock. You can't run away from a bad diet. You can't punch your way past a biggie fry. And you can't climb your way out of a deep-fried bucket of cholesterol, you lazy bum.
Yeah, you're right, Mick. A good diet will help you, look good and feel good. And, when you got a good diet, you can perform good on the road and in life. Making healthy choices gives you like a mental clarity. They say there's like a correlation between an unhealthy diet and, depression and anxiety.
Poor nutrition will kill you, champ. You gotta cut back on processed, salty, sugary foods. Stay away from them there fried food, champ. They'll contribute to tooth decay, diabetes, obesity, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and even some cancers. Don't end up like me, Rock. You gotta make wise choices, you bum.
Yeah, that's right. The thing is, when you make life choices and when you make food choices, you gotta think. You gotta listen to that trainer in your head telling you to make smart choices. Because what you do today can affect how many tomorrows, you're gonna have. I hear a lot of people say, hey, yo, Rock, they ain't got a lot of healthy food options out there. Well, I'm about to bust that myth like I busted Apollo Creed. A lot of my favorite, junk foods, they got healthy alternatives. Yeah, that's the word. Hey, yo, I'm hearing loves, and a lot of people think, hey, yo, Rocky, you a fighter. Well, yeah, that's true and all, but I'm also a lover. And I love loves because they got clean showers and they got clean meals. That means I can fuel my body while I'm fueling up my truck. Hey, yo, let's go step inside and see what kind of healthy alternatives they got. Everybody says, there's like a perfect diet. But there ain't no such thing as a perfect diet. You gotta choose what works for your lifestyle and something, you can stick to long term. I prefer nutritious meals, over, like supplements and stuff like that. What are you supplementing? I don't think you can supplicate much.
Train smart, eat healthy, be safe, 'cause Mickey loves you.